Hi everyone. Today I Mehul Gupta would be presenting the demonstration for my multi-agent orchestration app, that is AI interview panel for the Google AI Hackathon. So in this particular use case that I'm trying to solve, I'm trying to automate the interview processes that happens in any firm. So in this particular solution, you just need to give the interview role, and then AI takes over creating a panel of interviewers on its own, and then these multiple agents would be interviewing the candidate and then giving their feedbacks, and finally we'll get a combined feedback whether the candidate should be selected or not. So not jumping into the codes, I would be first of all showing you the demonstration. So here you can see that by default I'm using the interview role as junior product manager, and the AI is able to create the agents. These five agents should be taking the interview for the junior product manager, engineering manager, and others. Now, once you invoke this app that I've built using LangGraph, here you can see that each of these interviews are taking their round one by one, as happens in a real interview. And in each interview round, I'm having three questions. So each interviewer would be asking three questions and then switches to the next round. Now, once we are done with the entire interview, we get a final consolidated result, as you can see, which tells that whether the candidate is a good fit or not. Right now, the candidate itself is an AI agent, but that has to be replaced by a real candidate. Now, it also stores the entire history, what interview questions have been asked, what was the response of the candidate that was questioned, and the feedback given by each of the separate interviewers. So this entire application is based on multi-agent orchestration framework offered by LangChain, that is LangGraph. And eventually, now going for a live demo, I would be showing an interview role for, say, data scientist. So here you can see that the AI is able to determine we need to have four interviewers in the panel: hiring manager, data science lead, senior data scientist, and research scientist. Now, as you would be able to see, rounds are getting completed. I'm not printing the logs from the round, as I would be printing it in the end using the all history variable that I'm using. This application has a great usage because interview process are at times very lengthy. It may take weeks or even months, and arranging the calls between the interviewers and interviews is a big hectic task. And such an application, if not fully deployed, can be used for screening the candidates in the first round, so that the team can know whether the candidate is a good fit in all the domains or not. Now here you can see that we have generated a result also for the other candidate which we wish to hire for data scientist role. All the history interviewed by hiring manager, interviewed by data science lead is present here, and the results are also the feedback given by each of the interviews also present.